When a chiropractor adjusts these subluxations and improves the function of your spine, this results in better communication between your brain and your body, which may have an impact on the way you feel if these subluxations were causing symptoms for you. Or it may mean that your brain is better able to control what's happening in your body, so you can perform at your optimal potential. So if you want to have a tune-up of your brain-body communication, go and see your family chiropractor and have your spine tuned up so you can function at your best.